We are going to use this foam roller to roll out the quad, specifically the rectus femoris, which is a thin muscle, goes right from the front of the hip, right here, all the way down to the front of the knee. Basically, you're going to put right above the knee. You're going to put the roller right above the knee. Now I'm up here. You can also go down here. You could, if you want, also just rest down here. Whatever position's comfortable in the upper body to get to a point where you can get pressure pushing into that quad. So remember, we're just doing the front right now. Start right above the knee. Make sure you're on the muscle, not on the joint. Basically, over the span of a minute or two, you're going to get all the way from there to right below the hip, right to about here. And you want to make sure your muscle stays relaxed, and it should feel good. You never want to force anything. It should just feel very nice and relaxed, comfortable. And after you're done with that, minute or two, repeat on the other side.